Dalam memacu inovasi dan pemikiran kritis, nilai moral dan etika perlu diberi keutamaan. Bersama-sama Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, kita mendahului langkah masyarakat dan zamannya bagi membentuk peradaban yang dinamik, berilmu dan terkehadapan. Mendepani cabaran perubahan, UKM bertunjangkan 3 perkataan keramat: ilmu, mutu dan budi.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. And a very good day I bid to my lecturer and my fellow friends. So today, I'm Aminah Juan bin Azizan, the holder of matrix number A203719. Want to present about noise pollution. So what is noise pollution? Noise pollution is excessive or destructive sound that harms health and the environment. It comes from various sources like traffic, industry and construction. It can cause hearing loss, stress and also disrupt ecosystem. So let's move on to our current issues about this noise pollution. So currently, noise pollution remains a pervasive issue globally, impacting both society and also our environment. Excessive noise disrupt a daily life, leading to stress, sleep disturbance and also decrease our productivity. It also disturbs wildlife, affecting their behavior and also habitats. So every problem must have solution, right? So the solution for this noise pollution is we must implementing noise regulation and standards for various industries, vehicles and also construction activities. Other than that, designing urban spaces with sound absorbing materials and greenery to mitigate noise level. Last but not least, we must use noise barriers, soundproofing and also acoustic insulation in buildings and transportation infrastructure to reduce the noise level. In conclusion, noise pollution is a widespread problem with significant impacts on both society and also environment. It disrupts daily life, harms human health, and disturbs wildlife and ecosystem. Addressing noise pollution requires a comprehensive approach involving regulation, urban planning, technological innovation, public awareness, and community engagement. By implementing all these effective measures to mitigate noise pollution, we can create a healthier, more livable environment for everyone while preserving the integrity of our natural world. Thank you.
Noise pollution is shaving years off our lives. We're surrounded by unrelenting sounds. Cars, airplanes, even the hums of our refrigerators. Everywhere we go, noise seems to follow. Noise or sound pollution is excessive sound that can be harmful to human health, wildlife, and the environment. And living in this state for prolonged periods causes side effects such as low energy, insomnia, and headaches. Exposure to these sounds can trigger a stress response that prepares our bodies for fight or flight. But it's not just us who are suffering. Noise pollution makes it difficult for animals to communicate, forage, and find mates. So what's the solution to our noise problem? We need to value experiences that calm and rejuvenate us. Researchers have found that listening to nature sounds have physiological and psychological benefits. Find a rainstorm or a recording of chirping crickets on YouTube. Just 5 minutes of nature listening can make all the difference in your life.